In today's video, we are going to cover how to delete a bill in Xero. If you need to remove a draft bill from your records, this process is handled from the Bills area in Xero. The key detail to keep in mind from the start is that the bill needs to be in draft status for this deletion option to apply, so you will be working from the Draft tab rather than from bills that have already moved further through the workflow. Begin at the top menu in Xero. Click Purchases, then select Bills. This opens the Bills page, where you can view and manage bills in different statuses. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the bill list appears before moving on. Once you are on the Bills page, click the Draft tab. This filters the list so you only see draft bills. That matters because the deletion process described here is for draft bills, and switching to the Draft tab helps you avoid selecting the wrong item from another section of the bills list. With the draft bills visible, find the bill you want to remove. When you locate it, tick the checkbox next to that draft bill. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct draft bill before continuing, especially if several bills have similar dates, references, or amounts. After the bill is selected, you have two ways to start the deletion. You can click Delete from the action bar above the list, which appears once a bill is selected. If you prefer, you can also use the three-dot menu beside the bill and then choose Delete from that menu. Both options lead to the same result, so use whichever one matches how you normally work in the list. After you click Delete, Xero will display a confirmation prompt. This is the point where you confirm that you want to permanently delete the selected draft bill from Xero. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the deletion to proceed. Because this action permanently removes the draft bill, it is worth pausing for a second before you confirm, just to make sure the selected bill is the one you intend to delete. Once confirmed, Xero removes the draft bill from your draft list. If you remain on the same page, you may notice that the bill no longer appears in the list after the action is completed. That is the expected result and indicates the deletion has gone through. The path is Purchases, then Bills, then the Draft tab, followed by selecting the bill, choosing Delete, and confirming the prompt. Keeping that order in mind helps you move through the process without skipping the draft status check that makes the deletion option available in the right place. The selected draft bill has now been permanently deleted from Xero.